Storm Dennis won't stop us. Let's get the old girl out and get her in. Time to give her some loving. She lives. Still cold, I don't want to turn the show all the way off. Leave that choke on for a bit. Sounds sweet. Right, let's get this tyre pumped up. The rest of them are alright. Let's get this beaut in the yard. Oh, in the yard, we're in the yard. Get in the workshop. Well, the time has come. A lot of you have been waiting for. We've dug her out of the yard. Excuse all the wind noise earlier. I didn't have a microphone and we got some Storm Dennis now. What is it with the storms lately? So, 50 shades of pink. Don't know if I'm going to fit that side in. Bear with. Flaking lacquer, dings all around it, but it is not terrible. Runs and dry. Got a problem with a mixture screw and a carb, so I'm going to sort that out. I've sorted out a petrol cap, another driver's door, we've got a driver's wing. We're on the hunt for a seat. Driver's seat's a bit ripped. Need to get this thing stripped down, start getting it prepped, and get it ready for a whole respray. Right guys, she's stripped. Found a bit more woodworm than I would have liked to. This seal's fine. The arch is alright until you get to the back bumper fixing there. So we won't have to sort that. We found in the corner of the boot, looks like it's been repaired before, all that black. You have to sort that out. Now the other side's okay. Same again on this corner. And then a bit of the arch, bottom of the seal. Now it's had a repair underneath the seal before, and it's rusted out. Sort of by the repair. I've just pulled a load of that out. Got the wing off, obviously we're going to do the other wing. That door's getting changed. So, looks like we've got to do a bit of welding. These plastic trims up here came off alright, they're inside the car. So that weren't too bad. All the rest of it looks alright. The arches were a bit of a pain. Some of the captive nuts were spinning and they died a bit. So we're gonna have to get a bit of welding sorted on this before we make a start. I mean, I may well start prepping the panels and the rest of the bits that I can do for now. But it's happening. My roof's leaking again. Bucket there catching it. They still haven't done it yet. But I'm sure that'll get sorted soon. So yeah, not terrible. We'll get it up on the ramp and we'll see what else we can find, and we get that all welded up and sorted out. I'll either cut that rear quarter out, the pieces, and piece new bits in, or see if I can find a whole rear quarter if possible, change the whole lot. And we'll do a repair panel on the other side, make my life a bit easier. I'm gonna crack on, get this sorted. That's probably gonna be the end of part 1. And we'll be back with, well, by the look of this, not many more parts, I suppose. Get this built, get this sorted, get it back to its former glory. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you ain't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. There'll be plenty more videos on this one and the other projects we've got going along as well. See you soon.